in the quiet sparkle of the North Pole. Far beyond the snowy mountains and shimmering frozen lakes, there exists a place few humans have ever seen: Santa's secret elf village. Tonight, you're invited inside because the elves are finally ready to reveal 5 secrets Santa's elves use to make Christmas magic happen. So snuggle into your blankets, take a soft, deep breath, and let the magic begin. Every winter morning, the elves gather outside as the first snow of the day begins to fall. But these are no ordinary snowflakes. These flakes whisper messages that only elves can hear. Jingle, a tiny elf with peppermint-striped boots, closes his eyes. He listens. Soft winds, easy travel paths today. The snowflakes murmur, warm hearts in the north. Children are being kind. This is how Santa's elves know which children need extra cheer, which houses need an extra glowing ornament, and where Santa's sleigh will glide most smoothly on Christmas Eve. Without the whispering snowflakes, Christmas would be surprisingly difficult. But with them, the elves always know the perfect direction. Deep inside Santa's workshop lies a room only 3 elves can enter: the Workshop of Wishes. This magical room holds a giant glowing book. Every time a child makes a Christmas wish, even a soft, quiet one, the book writes it down with shimmering golden ink. One day, tiny Tinsel Elf opened the book and gasped softly. A little girl wished not for toys, but for her grandpa to smile again because he'd been feeling lonely. Tinsel put her hand on the page, and instantly the book glowed warm and bright. The workshop filled with sparkles, and a special gift wrapped itself, a glowing snow globe that played the girl's favorite song, one she always listened to with her grandpa. The elves don't just build toys, they build joy, comfort, and hope for every child everywhere. Every night, before the elves go to sleep, they gather at the reindeer barn. The reindeer are more magical than many people know because, when they sleep, their hearts beat in a soft, warm rhythm that fills the whole barn with a dreamlike hum. The elves sit close, their tiny glowing lanterns flickering softly. They place their hands gently on the soft wooden rails and listen to the steady, calming thump-thump. This rhythm fills the elves with energy, kindness, and holiday cheer for the next day. It's why elves always seem so full of joy. They share the magic heartbeat of the reindeer themselves. And if you listen closely tonight, you might even imagine hearing that gentle rhythm too. Once a week, on the coldest night, the elves hold a beautiful celebration, the Starlight Cookie Ceremony. They gather outside under the shimmering northern sky. Mrs. Claus brings out golden trays of warm cookies, peppermint crunch, snowy sugar, and cinnamon sparkle. But here's the secret. As the elves take their first bite, the stars above twinkle brighter, sending little beams of light into their cookies. This fills the elves with kindness and patience and creativity, everything needed to prepare Christmas gifts with love. It's not the sugar, It's not the frosting, it's the starlight that makes every cookie magical. But on Christmas Eve, when the last toys are wrapped and the last bows tied, Santa steps into the center of the workshop. In his hands is a small, shimmering, golden bell, the bell of Christmas Eve. He rings it gently. A soft, magical echo vibrates through the North Pole. Every elf stops. Every reindeer lifts its head. Every star seems to sparkle brighter. This sound weaves all the magic together, the whispering snowflakes, the wishes from the golden book, the reindeer heartbeat, and the starlight cookies. Then, with hearts glowing warm and bright, the elves cheer as Santa's sleigh lifts into the sky, and Christmas begins. So now you know the 5 secrets the elves use to keep Christmas magical year after year. As you close your eyes tonight, imagine the whispering snow, the shining stars, and the soft thump of reindeer hearts carrying you into a calm, cozy sleep. Good night, little dreamer, and may your dreams be filled with Christmas magic.